Hey guys, let's analyze Cheomcon specialty today. Okay, so there is some sort of management, fundamental management sort of confusion in this company. However, I'm still going to trade it. It looks technically good, and basically, I've defined my risk. So it doesn't make much of a difference with respect to the management on the management front on in the short term. So what's the trade here? So the IPO came and then it quickly fell, and it's sort of consolidating in this range. Okay, we saw a big spike here, and then the stock is consolidating over here. So what do I? Why am I interested in this? So I think that the consolidation has been going on for quite some time. It's been consolidating since October, and chemical specialty chemical stocks have been doing very well. Okay, so fundamentally I think that this stock should do well. That's the fundamental reason. But what's on the technical front? On the technical front, if you'll see, the stock has reclaimed its 50-day and it is trading above it. It did that in December, Jan as well, but it quickly succumbed. But what you'll notice is that it's basically not closing below this level, 390, 394, 395 level. So what's my trade analysis? I'm going to I've I've bought the stock here at these levels, and I'll be adding more if it starts going up. So 440, 445, 450 levels is where I'm continuously buying, and I'll be adding more if it breaks, above this level. If it breaks above this level, I'll be buying more. What is my stop loss? My stop loss is pretty simple on a weekly basis. If the stock closes, you know, below 390, 385 on a weekly basis with high volume, I will be out. So I have a 12-13% stop loss, which is the usual stop loss that I keep. And what sort of targets we can see? We can probably see it ripping back to its IPO price. That could happen, but there's fair amount of supply here, so we'll have to probably wait for that. But what's encouraging is that there is a 50-day and it's flat. It's trading around here, and it's reclaimed it. If it sort of breaks above this line, it will be it will be good. Technically, it will be good if it breaks above this level and it starts trading above this level. The stock can continue to go sideways. So that is also the risk that you have. So, I usually give my trade, 15, 20 days, a month, and see how it's moving. If there is no movement, and if it's continuing to go sideways, and if I see another great trading opportunity, I'll switch over. What's the fundamental thing? It's a small cap specialty chemical company. Promoters are holding good number of shares. Okay, they have 58 crore worth of loan, which is all right. 58 crore is not much. Profits have been rising. Okay, sales have been rising. Pretty encouraging. March results are not out yet, so we'll have to wait for that. But December, September results are pretty good. So this looks good. A bit of a not risky right now because I think the selling has is done. If it had to go down, if the news was further negative, this would have gone down. This would have basically continued to go down. But I believe this is being accumulated at these levels. That's my analysis. I may be wrong, but I believe that this is getting accumulated at these levels. Unless there is further trigger, I doubt if it's going to go down further. So we need trigger for it to go down further. Other than that, I see upside from here. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you.